Hello, today I will show you Xiaomi Power Bank 2. This power bank has a 10,000 mAh capacity. It fully charges Mi 5 for 2.4 times, iPhone 6 for 3.7 times. I like this product design. But one thing what I very like is fast charging. My phone is charging in fast mode with this power bank like with original wall charger. Safely charge low power devices such as Bluetooth headsets or fitness bands. Simply double press the power button to enter 2-hour low power charging. Press the button and you will see 4 LEDs, to show to you how many energy was in power bank. Nine layers of the world-class circuit chip protection. And you will find charging cable and manual. If you want to check, or this product is original, you erase code on the box, and you can check with this code on the internet or your product is original.